Okay, when we get through, we're going to talk about you using a mobile phone. You're still being recorded. That's a phone. You're in your hand. That's all I need to see. So get up there and pull over where it's safe, sir. Thank you. You're going to go over there and we're going to talk about using a mobile phone while you're driving, okay? You've been recorded at this point in time, phone up to mouth, talking away. I'm going to split the traffic behind you so you can safely get up to the street just there, okay? Good with that? No worries, buddy.
Go ahead, Nancy. Thanks, Sarge. 1 Delta Bravo Oscar 304. 1 Delta Bravo Oscar 304. Subaru Forester, station wagon, silver in colour. Yeah, Roger. Expires 06:15.
When we get through, you're going to pull up. We're going to discuss using mobile phone whilst in control. In your hands. It's in your hands. That's what the video says. In your hands. It's in your hands. It's got video. I'll show you all the legislation. When you go around, just pull up on the side of the road. I'll park behind you and I'll form a safe corridor, okay?
Fantastic. Thanks for your time.
When we get through, I'll get you to pull up into the car park at City Farmers there. We're going to be discussing using a mobile phone in a vehicle. That's all right. My name's Officer Elson. You've been recorded using it for about 5 seconds with my lights on. You have no idea what's going on around you, ma'am. So I'll get you to pull up in the car park and we'll talk. Thank you.